Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Another day, another house tour. And sa panahon ngayon na lahat ng bagay yata nagtataasan ng presyo, we have to make sure that our investments are worth every penny. And that is what this featured property is all about. More than just pretty, this residential is designed for comfort, efficiency, and convenience. Located in one of the sought-after subdivision in the heart of Angeles City with a 15-minute drive to Clark International Airport and other major business establishments, you have a great community for your amazing home. So stay tuned and learn why you should purchase this smart home. Sit back and please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. Let's start with our sliding automated gate. Nakita nyo naman, aside from automated siya, very thoughtful pa siya kasi hindi siya swing type. So, you don't have to worry na pag bumukas siya may tatamaan ka kasi papasok nga yung yung sliding automated gate natin. Sa ating facade, you will see very minimalist design but very elegant. You have your fence, and they put some wood accent. Kung mapapansin nyo itong mga to. These are wood. Cement finish yan, and then they added some accent para mas magandang tignan. You have, you have plants outside. And yun yung service gate natin, pero dito na tayo papasok para mas, hindi na natin bubuksan. Pagpasok mo, you have parking for one. And nakikita nyo na, meron tayong pool area doon. So you have plants here, you have artificial stone claddings sa ating wall. Very nice, very elegant. Your pool area, mamaya magfo-focus pa tayo doon. But for now, let's appreciate your parking area. Parking for one, fully covered. You have wood accent sa yung ceiling with pin lights. And bukod pa dyan, meron ka pang mga wall lamps or LED lamps. Walk tayo dito. You have a simple landscaping. Very zen ang design niya. Diba? Relaxing. And you have your elevated porch. And your pretty pocket garden. Yung pocket garden nyo, kung mapapansin nyo, same ang design, no? Meron tayong mga stones, may mga pebbles tayo, at zen yung finishing niya. Okay, so now, this is your pocket garden. At sa likod ng pocket garden na to, dito papasok yung efficiency side because I mentioned this property is not just pretty, this is designed for comfort. Okay, let's start with comfort because this is fully furnished. So you don't have to worry about anything na pagpasok nyo at maganda po ang interior natin. So it's really comfortable to, to live here. Pagpasok natin, mas ma-appreciate nyo yan. You have your efficiency at dun po papasok ang efficiency because this property is you have your solar setup for this property. Papakita ko dito sa likod. So that is not storage, guys. Hindi po yan storage. Ay, buwis buhay. Okay. So as you can see, you have your batteries. You have a 15 kilowatts solar setup with 34 kilowatt hours lithium iron phosphate batteries with net metering sa utility provider natin. Meaning, and also that has ATS. So, yun po ay automatic. May inverter tayo. When you have inverter kasi, ATS yan. So, automatic transfer system wherein kagamawa namatay yung ilaw, hindi mamamatayin sa inyo. Kasi matik na niyang tinatransfer yung power from your solar energy or your solar panels going to your property. Some kasi, they don't have inverters or they don't have wala silang inverter, kaya kailangan pa nilang i-turn on or wala silang ATS, kaya kailangan pa nilang i-turn on kapag namatay. But this one, or this property, it's very efficient kasi kapag namatay, hindi mamamatay yung sa inyo because automatic transfer siya. Also, we have net metering na rin siya sa utility provider natin, meaning nababawas na po siya sa utility provider po natin here in Angeles City. So nababawas na siya sa konsumo doon. And efficiency because bawas na rin yung sa bill ninyo. So it's very efficient. So we have comfort, efficiency, and okay, sana po makalipat tayo ng maayos dito. Ayan. Alright, I'll show you about kung bakit naman siya convenience, because this is powered by smart, so you don't have to worry about security because you have your phone, you have your app to monitor your home even if you are not, or it's like your home even though you're away from your home. All right, so this is your porch. Of course, dahil smart home tayo, you have your smart lock, keypad, voice command, card, your phone, bago nyo buksan, your phone, para mabuksan. Huy, ang daming details, guys. You know, you really have to finish this video kasi ang dami niyang surprises and you really love this property. Your massive door has your smart lock, kaya pasok na tayo para makita naman ninyo ang comfort. And pagpasok mo, this is your living area. Your property is a smart home, has a smart home technology powered by Alexa. So let's try. Dito sa living area kasi kanina sinindihan na namin. So let's try. Alexa, turn off living area. Okay. Alexa, turn on living area. And as you can see, diba, ang sabi ko kanina, comfort, and ito, hindi ko to napakita kanina sa labas, pero we have videos para makita ninyo sa labas yung view, but we have dual pane windows. Why is it important to have a dual pane windows, or why it is a good feature or highlight of this property? Mainit po sa Pilipinas. So, yung init sa labas, hindi yan basta-basta pumapasok sa loob when you have dual pane windows. So, mas mabilis ding lumamig ang aircon, hindi magastos sa electricity dahil mabilis lumamig sa loob. And during storm naman, hindi basta-basta magmo-moist sa loob dahil kung makikita niyo po all throughout our property, marami tayong mga wood accent. And these are real wood. Lalo na yung sa stairs natin, these are real wood planks. May mga wood design din tayo. Hindi po sila madadamage dahil sa dual pane windows na atin. So, it's convenient aside from, yun nga, mas madaling lumamig ang aircon, walang init na papasok basta-basta. Even yung life or yung mga accent furnitures or yung mga, alam mo yan, yung mismong bahay natin, yan, mga paint, protected din siya ng dual pane windows natin. So that's why it's very important. And what else? Noise pollution, hindi po maingay, hindi yung lessen yung ingay sa labas compared with not having dual pane windows. So, makita niyo lahat. Pakita natin later sa during our walkthrough na yung mga windows natin lahat dual pane windows. Alright, so back to our living area. Gorgeous chandelier or drop light with, ayan, meron tayong wood claddings yan or wood panels sa ating ceiling accent. TV is included. Ayan, kasama na po yan. At dito sa yung, makita nyo maluwang pa siya. So if you want, just in case you want to, you know, palakihin yung sofa natin, pwede mo pang palakihin ang iyong sofa set. This is a room, but gusto ko nang pumunta sa kitchen or sa dining area so that you'll see yung ating dining area. This is your dining area. Alexa, turn on dining lights. This is your dining area. Kung mapapansin nyo, this is an 8-seater square dining table. At matchy-matchy po ang ating mga chairs sa ating mga stool dito sa ating kitchen, which I'll show you later, but focus muna tayo sa ating dining area. Square shape yung ating dining table at ano ba to? Hindi siya masikip kasi pag magkadikit na yung dalawang chair, hirap nang gumalaw yung mga kumakain. Pero this one, sobrang luwang or sobrang ganda ng size ng ating table. Maluwang pa dito. So if you want a bigger table, pwede. If you want a round table, pwede. But you know what? As it is na, ang ganda-ganda na ng ating property sa loob. Favorite ko tong kitchen. Alexa, turn on kitchen lights. Okay. This is your formal kitchen. You have your nook You have stools na matchy-matchy nga doon sa chairs natin sa ating dining area. And your nook, spacious siya. Waterfall countertop. White quartz countertop. You have drawers sa likod nito. And cabinets. Also, ito pa, ang yung pantry. Ang cute nito. No, kasi may accent ka ng green. May mga plants tayo na mga accent dyan. Kahit artificial lang sila, ang gandang tignan pa rin sa loob ng bahay. So again, cabinets, your countertop, white quartz countertop. Mapapansin nyo, meron ka ng range hood. You have your cooktop, induction pa siya. You have your oven. Ang likod ko, no? May oven ka dito. Pakita lang natin sa mga videos yan. May oven ka dito. Meron ka na rin microwave. Storages. Ooh! Look at that. So cute. Kasama na po yun. So, pagpunta nyo dito, diretso housewarming na kayo. Pwede na kayo mag-housewarming. And then, modern type po yung sink natin. Meron tayong glass rinser. Tapos, ayan yung mga faucet natin. Meron siyang parang, you have your pump for your soap dish or yun. Meron kang drainer, you have your basin, and that is stainless steel. White quartz countertop, you have your splash. Ay, ang ganda. Ay, akala ko kanina, parang meron mga naka-protrude. Pero hindi, no? So, madali pa rin talaga siyang linisan. This is your splash board. Very cute, very nice. More, may mga cabinets pa tayo dito. Yan. Ito pa ang isa kong favorite. This is, ay, sandali. Tingnan ko itong drawer na to. Oh, nice. So, this refrigerator is also included. This is for your water. This is for your water. No, this is for your ice. So, this is your ice water or pwede rin yung sa ice natin. Because that is, diba, convenience. Again. Pagpunta natin dito, ito yung sinasabi kong room kanina, but meron ka pang additional storages dito. Okay, by the way, kanina minention ko yung sa ceiling natin, may mga wood accent tayo dyan. Sa floor naman natin, makita nyo naman, sobrang kintab ng ating mga marble design na floor tiles. And this is your first bedroom, which is on your ground floor. You have a king-size bed. Kasama na yan. So, pag uwi nyo, after nyo mag-housewarming, pwede na rin kayong matulog dito. Pagpasok nyo, that is your bed. You have 2 drawers. And you have your TV console with, of course, your TV. Kasama yan. Hanging shelves or hanging drawers. Cabinets. Ang ganda pa kasi meron ka pang lighting sa indirect lighting. I forgot what they call this. Uplighting. Yan, meron ka mga uplighting dyan. Your window, you have a wide window and a view of your garden dito. Okay? This side, na maluwang pa, you have built-in cabinet with a full body mirror. Uy, tago sila. Nagtatago sila, guys. Okay. There. Ang ganda, no? Kaya marami din tayong mga wood dito sa property. Dahil nga, dual pane yung windows natin. So, hindi ka mag-aalala if, alam mo yun, yung mga nagmo-moist, tapos masisira yung mga wood. Kaya yung nakakita nyo, mga wood po talaga to. And hindi sila basta-basta, hindi. Dahil napoprotected sila ng dual pane windows natin. You have your shelves. Ang daldal ko, nauuna yung utak ko sa bibig ko. Your shelves. And mapansin mo, may space ka pa dito. You have your full bath. Nice. Full bath. May exhaust yan. Vessel type sink. And, enclosed. You have an enclosed shower area at ang ganda ng height niya. Pagpasok mo, stainless steel shower set in metal gun color. Niche, linear drainage para mas madaling pumasok yung tubig. Floor to ceiling tiles, textured yung tiles natin. And nabubulol ka, day. Textured yung tiles natin. Yan ka rin. Cabinet dito. labas na tayo at bago tayo umakyat, kung hindi nyo pa nagugustuhan yung nakikita nyo, ewan ko na lang talaga. But okay, so we tackled comfort, efficiency, and convenience, no? Wow! Full bath din pala. Ang bango! Amoy bamboo. Napaka-zen. Okay, papasok mo your, wow, ang laki ng vanity mirror. Yung vanity mirror, vessel type sink, toilet, nandyan din yung iyong shower area at very spacious siya, guys. Stainless steel shower set. Same ng color nung nandun sa isang room natin. Okay. You also have a view of your pool area from your dining area. Dito po, syempre, kung meron kang formal kitchen, dahil Pinoy tayo, meron tayong dirty kitchen, which we'll show you later. Ito po ang ating pool area. It is meron din siyang jacuzzi. Actually, yung size niya talaga, it's for dipping, jacuzzi for, massage and relaxation. Alexa, turn on bubbles. So, there you go. Jacuzzi po siya. And since nakabukas na siya, labas na tayo para mas malapit. Alright. Medyo maingay, so papatayin muna natin siya. Since nakita naman na ninyo, patayin muna natin siya. Alexa, turn off bubbles. Alright. Para hindi tayo nagsisigawan. So that is your jacuzzi dipping pool. You have artificial stone workings or claddings dito. You can see your waterfall. Relaxing naman talaga, di ba? And dito, sa side na to, nandito yung, kaninang papasok tayo sa gate. Nakita niyo yon yung going to your carport. Ayan. This room or this storage, this is your, nandito yung water pump natin and water tank. Diba? Hindi madumi sa mata. Kitang-kita mo naman, naka-hide po siya. Napansin ko lang yung mga plants natin. Ang ganda, diba? Relaxing. Jacuzzi, waterfalls, tapos you have artificial stone working or artificial stone claddings, and you have plants. Perfect. Perfect. Maluwang pa dito, so hindi mo kailangan isipin na baka mahulog ka. You can move here. And dito yung ating dirty kitchen. There's nothing dirty about it because very neat. White quartz countertop. You have your cabinets, range hood, cooktop. May mga storage tayo dyan. Stainless steel sink. May drainer tayo. And this is your laundry area. Yes, this is included. Kaya sabi ko, kung matutulog na kayo dito, yung damit na ginamit nyo, pwede nyo na rin laban. O, diba? Housewarming, sleep here, tapos maglaba ka na rin. And ano na to? Wash and dry na yan. This is your staff quarters. Diba? You have ample space. Single bed or double deck. And you can still put drawer. Meron din silang sarili nilang bathroom. Full bath, pedestal type sink. You have your toilet and of course your stainless steel shower set. Nakalimutan ko yung tawag dito, but this is for natural light. So if halimbawa patayin mo yung ilaw during morning, maliwanag po dito sa kwarto. So hindi ka nasusuffocate. Hindi po man nasusuffocate yung ating mga helpers. At pasok na tayo. Pansinin nyo yung floor natin. Meron tayong mga drainage dyan. So hindi magpupondang water, wala pong madudulas. Alright, pagpasok natin, alam mo, gusto kong pasample yung dual pane sliding doors and windows natin. Kasi dual pane din to eh. So, Alexa, turn on bubbles. So, I mentioned kanina that if you're dual pane windows, noise reduction din. So, let's try. Naririnig niyo yung bubbles ngayon. Sara natin. Oh, sino ka dyan? sorry. Diba? So, isa pa yon sa feature ng ating property. Bago tayo umakyat, I just want to show you again, because of our dual pane windows, it's safe to put woods dito. These are wood planks talaga. At mapapansin nyo, two-way yung ating stairwell. Hindi po siya makipot. Even yung step natin, pagpasok mo, papasok talaga yung paa mo. So, it's safe. We also have your step lights. Wood handrail. Akyat na tayo para sa ating second floor. Ang ganda ng step lights natin, no? Okay. So, yan. Dual pane din yung window natin dyan. And yung height pala. Yung height po ng ceiling natin, these are 3 meters yung ceiling height po natin. Tignan mo naman, di ba? Kahit dalawa kayo, hindi kayo magbabanggaan. First bedroom on your second floor. Sabi sa inyo tulog na kayo dito pagbili nyo. Di ba? Queen size bed. Tignan mo naman yung headboard mo. Headboard and accent wall na rin siya. Okay, dual pane windows. So, kahit nabuksan mo yan, hindi mainit. There are so many details na kailangan mo talagang ipakita dahil ang dami-daming features na magugustuhan ng lahat sa property na ito. Okay, TV console. Kung mapapansin nyo, queen size na yung bed natin pero maluwang pa dito. Your kids can play here or, mas maluwang ka makakapagbihes. You have your built-in cabinet. Wood yan. Full body mirror. Nakutan nga ako. Shelves. These are all included. Of course, ensuite toilet and bath. Bathroom. Undermount sink with sparkling whites countertop. Lavatory countertop. Drawer. Vanity mirror na ang ganda-ganda. Enclosed shower area. Stainless steel shower set. Metal gun color, linear drainage, at ayan, meron kang rain shower, hand shower, meron ka ring spray. Floor to ceiling tiles at textured. Very pretty. Ang ganda talaga. Alright, let's go. This side. Okay. Kung sa ground floor, yung ating tiles, marble design siya. Dito naman, wood design po yung ating. And plank siya. Hindi siya yung pa-square. Kaya mas cozy tignan. Okay, dito muna tayo bago tayo pumunta sa ating. Wait a minute. Hindi ito ang ano natin Hindi ito ang ating master bedroom pero ang laki. Wow. So parang junior suite siya. See kung gaano siya ka-spacious. This is a king size. This is a king size bed. This is not queen size. This is king size. King size na pero maluwang pa rin. Again, dual pane windows, built-in cabinets. Ayan, meron kang full body mirror. Mas maluwang ang inyong mga shelves dyan. This side, nandito ang yung TV console. Of course, that is included. Pwede ka pa maglagay ng mga gusto mo ilagay dito. Ensuite toilet and bath. Yan, change pa ito ng color. See, undermount sink, lavatory sink with white quartz or sparkling white. May mga sparkles kasi siya. Sparkling white quartz countertop, lavatory countertop. Floor to ceiling tiles, textured. So nice. Enclosed shower area. Again, stainless steel shower set. And this is like your junior suite. Okay, this room. Grabe, ang gaganda. Wow, kasama din to. Diba? Pero kung ayaw nyo yan, pwede mo naman palitan. But that is so pretty na. May socket ka pa. This is your powder room. Half bath. Vessel type sink. So half bath kasi wala tayong shower area. Powder room because you don't have your shower area. Next to your powder room is your... Wow, ang ganda naman ng ating family area. Spacious siya, but intimate. Alam mo yon, yung you can freely move, pero parang ang cozy niya talaga. For TV, ang ganda pa ng center light nyo. This is your balcony. You have coffee table on your balcony. At yung papasok natin, pwede kang pumasok dyan. Pwede ka rin pumasok dito. Coffee table. Diba? So, kung gusto mo lang dito mag-coffee, gusto mag-breakfast dito na umaga, pwedeng pwede. That balcony you see there, that is for your master's bedroom. So, let's go. Punta na tayo doon. And, yan. This one, I will let you know sa recap kung kasama. Kasi I have to make sure. But I feel like this one is kasama na. Ang ganda naman ng piano. Okay, so parang 88 keys siya. Ang ganda. Okay. Next. So, you have 3 rooms dito sa yung second floor. All bedrooms has their own ensuite toilet and bath. And we're now entering your master's bedroom. Oh, okay. So you have your first bedroom, you have a junior suite, and this is your master's bedroom. King size bed. Ang ganda po ng ating headboard. This is the balcony kanina na nakita nyo doon sa isang side. Guys, dual pane sliding doors and windows. So, alam nyo na yan. Meron pa siyang ano dito, if you want to put in the faucet, maghugas ng kamay. Or kung gusto mong maglagay ng plants dito, pwede rin. Rattan swing, pwede. Your according to your liking. Alright. Diyan si sir, para mas makita natin yung banda dito. Sasara ko yung door. And you'll see, spacious pa dito, guys. TV console, ang laki. Hindi ko makita kung ilang size itong TV natin pero pansin nyo naman talaga na malaki siya, di ba? Wood. Papunta dito, ang ganda, nakakatuwa kasi hindi lang basta siya finornish. Dinesign pa talaga yung property. So you don't have to worry to add more. Parang as it is, move-in ready na po tayo. Move-in ready na talaga dito sa ating property. So you have aircon, you have a painting here. Kung gusto mo maglagay ng table dito for study table or study table, your reading area or reading corner, pwede rin. Ang cute naman nito. And itong pinapasukan ko, this is your walk-in closet. You have your vanity area here. May ilaw na rin yan. May socket na rin for your flat iron, curler, blower, for your makeup, or jewelries, watches. Ito po. Kung makikita niyo yan, hanggang dun po siya. So, na-maximize po yung space na to. Kasya pa po doon. Actually, kasya ako doon. Kaya lang ayoko lang umakyat. Okay. And full body mirror. I love na lahat ng rooms natin, cabinets natin, meron silang full body mirror. Very thoughtful of the builder. Diba? I feeling ko marami mag-agree sa akin doon. Kasi diba, gumawa ka na rin ng cabinet, lagyan mo na ng salamin para makita nila yung itsura nila pagkatapos sila magbihis. Spacious, master bathroom, na parang hotel. Tignan mo naman yung iyong sink. Pwede mo, kung ayaw mo doon ilagay yung iron mo sa kabila, pwede dito, kasya. Maglagay ka ng candles, speaker, ang luwang. Diba? Pwede ka pang sumayaw dito sa porch. Sobrang luwang yan. Pwede kang sumayaw dito. O palike ka dyan ni Taylor Swift. Floor to ceiling tiles. And sobrang linis ng color. Gray ba tong color na to? Beige. But ang ganda ng color niya kasi ang linis tignan sa bathroom. Tapos ang cozy yung tignan. Okay? Okay. So there you have it, guys. Punta na tayo sa ground floor. Marami-rami po tayong pag-uusapan sa ating recap. And for our recap, brace yourselves dahil marami-rami po ito. Let's start with your floor, with your lot area. You have a 150 square meters lot area and a 238 square meters floor area. Your community, this is located in one of the sought-after subdivisions here in the heart of Angeles City with a 15-minute drive to Clark International Airport and other major business establishment. Flood-free po ang ating community, so that is perfect for your beautiful home. And para naman po sa features ng ating property, let's start with our ground floor. So, sa umpisa pa lang nakita nyo na yung automated gate natin na sliding. So, aside from automated siya, very thoughtful din siya kasi hindi na siya nagsuswing po doon sa daan, di ba? Okay, so I mentioned that this property is not just beautiful, but also it is designed for comfort, efficiency, and convenience. So let's start with comfort. fully furnished. At makikita nyo naman po lahat ng nakita nyo during our walk through or a house tour. These are all included. Hindi lang po siya basta furnish, meron pa siyang interior design. So, pwede na po kayong, move-in ready na rin po siya. Aside from that, hindi rin po basta-basta yung mga furnitures natin because these are custom-made. And nakita nyo naman din yung mga colors natin, matchy-matchy lahat ng colors natin. Yung mga bedrooms natin, kumpleto na. Lahat ng bedrooms natin with ensuite toilet and bath. So that's your very comfortable naman po talaga. Spacious po mga rooms natin. Even our bathrooms. Your pool area, relaxing. Well, this is your dipping pool jacuzzi. So it's really made for relaxation. Relaxation. And yung ating dirty kitchen, spacious dirty kitchen, meron na rin tayong laundry area with washing machine, wash and dry na po yun. Doon nyo rin po makita ang ating staff quarters with their own bathroom. Nakita nyo naman na very spacious din siya at hindi po masikip. Meron din tayong, nakalimutan ko na naman yun, yung like a glass window, like a clerestory window na for your morning light or your natural light. Next, efficiency. We did mention kanina at pinakita po natin yung ating mga batteries. So makita sa ating drone shot yung mga solar panels po natin dyan. So these are 15 kilowatts solar setup with 34 kilowatt hours na lithium iron phosphate batteries with ATS, so automatic transfer system, and net metering na rin po sa inyong utility provider. Meaning, so if mag-brown out po, matik na pong magta-transfer yung power from your inverter or your batteries going to your property. So from your solar panels going to your inverter or your batteries going to your property. Kaya pag namatay yung kuryente sa community, hindi po mamamatay yung sa inyo. Some kasi, pag namatay, they need to turn it on pa pag wala silang automatic transfer system. And net metering, meaning po, yung pong nakukonsume or yung nakukuha na power from solar setup, nababawas na siya dun sa inyong utility provider. Ayan. Some, nakukonsume yung Parang nag-search ako kanina kasi dun sa 68 amp hours na battery natin, 608 amp hours sa battery natin, na meron siyang, it can run like 8 hours, yung pondo niya. It can run 8 hours. Kaya lang, dahil nga sa Pilipinas tayo, I think isa yun sa mga bagay na we have to take advantage of sa Pilipinas, yung araw dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya it's really efficient for us to have solar panels here. Kasi sa US, and we talk to some clients or some brokers in the US, sabi nila, hindi nila talaga na ma-maximize yung mga solar panels because during winter nasisira lang din sila dahil sa mga snow, dahil sa four seasons. Pero sa atin, ma-maximize talaga natin yung mga solar panels. So it's really how you strategize. Kaya we did mention na sobrang magandang investment itong property na to because you already have your solar panels, may converter ka na, ATS na rin siya, net meter na rin siya, and that is your efficiency. You have convenience, smart home technology with Alexa. Katulad nung pinakita natin kanina, meron kang security, you can monitor. So smart powered. Ayoko kasing ma-miss yung mga info. So what are the smart home features? So why is it an advantage to have a smart home system? First, yung smart lighting natin, kanina, di ba? Like, Alexa, turn off kitchen lights. Okay. Alexa, turn on kitchen lights. You can use Alexa, meron ka ring application. Kung halimbawa, wala ka sa bahay, naiwan mo yung mga ilaw, even yung mga smart locks natin, smart air conditioning. So, pwede mo yung patayin kahit na wala ka sa bahay. So, you have an access sa lahat ng commands dito sa iyong property. What else? Smart outlets. Ayan, so mamamatay naman sila kahit hindi ka kailangan mag-worry. Kung meron ka naiwan na kasaksak, pwede mong patayin. motion sensors, automation, yung ating gate, CCTV. Yes, we have CCTV, smart cameras din po. Kasama din po siya. Yung doorbell natin. Yeah, your intercom and your doorbell. Para hindi natin napakita yung kanina, pero show na lang natin sa videos. So, yun pong ang ating smart intercom doorbell. You can view you can view your visitor. You can also speak to the visitor na dumating. Smart smoke and leak detectors. Your descent alert, pag halimbawa merong mga nagli-leak or merong nagsa-start pa lang ng fire, mano-notify na po tayo. So that is, again, safety and convenience po natin. If this property speaks to you, dahil I know that marami po tayong nakitang kagandahan itong property natin, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Message us on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger. Kung wala po tayong Messenger or Facebook or Instagram, we have Viber, WhatsApp. We also have our mobile numbers, email address, and dito sa YouTube, pwede kayo mag-message. Pero makikita nyo naman sa description natin, nandiyan na po yung ating mga other numbers natin. What did you like about the property? If you can share that para masabi din po natin sa ating mga builders na mga property na pinifeature natin. Guys, yung mga house tours natin, hindi po pare-pareho yung mga builders, architects, and designers. So, makikita nyo bakit ganito si ganyan. So, it helps po if you can comment, and please do comment nicely kasi iba-iba naman po yung gumagawa, kaya pwede po natin yung sabihin sa kanila just in case, you know, like why the tagline of Blueprint Properties Pampanga is where your house speaks, is like kung kasi yung property is not for you, it doesn't speak to you, di ba? Pero kapag yung property na yan para sa'yo, nararamdaman mo yun, di ba? Parang may lukso ng dugo din, di ba? So if this property is speaking to you, yun nga, you can message us there. But for sure, nakita nyo na ang mga reels ng property na ito before pa na-feature dito sa YouTube. Kaya pwede na po kayong mag-schedule ng inyong trippings. Marami na sigurong tumingin nito bago pa ito na ilabas. Kaya pwede nyo kaming i-message doon sa messaging system namin. Pwede rin messaging platforms namin. You can also message me on Instagram, TikTok. Follow us on TikTok din, BP Pampanga, Enalalu, and Enalalu on Instagram para makapag-book po kayo ng trippings. This property is move-in ready and tripping schedules are open. Kaya kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house speaks. And this featured property, ulit. And that is what this featured property is all about. Ay! Zen yung finishing niya. Wait lang, pwede ako mag-stop. Dahil dual pane yan, you know, it helps with, wait lang, sir. Sir, hindi ko kaya. Sir, ulit. Ang cute naman ito. Alam mo kanina, kala ko M lang para talaga siya. Ulit. Alright, TV console. Of course, yes, hinihingal ako guys. With 34 kilowatt hours. Ha! Ulit. Sandali.